On to some breaking news coming in. Asansol TMC MLA Jitendra Tiwari has tendered his resignation. He resigns from the post of Chairman Board of Administrators, Asansol Municipal Cooperation. TMC MLA, yet another TMC MLA has quit, and that's the latest breaking update we're picking up. Remember, just yesterday we were sharing the details of the official resignation that has been sent out by Trinamool heavyweight Suvendu Adhikari. That certainly has been a big loss for the party, and yet another TMC leader, Jitendra Tiwari, who has tendered his resignation from the post of Chairman, Board of Administrators, Asansol Municipal Cooperation. Back-to-back setback for the Mamata Banerjee-led government. Anuj, my colleague, joining us with more details on the phone line. Anuj, yet another TMC MLA has quit. What more details can you share? Anuj, if you could hear me, can you give us a background of TMC MLA Jitendra Tiwari, his resignation? What really is the story behind it?
Oh, well, exactly. That's the latest what we are learning from the West Bengal. This is Jitendra Tiwari now, who has tendered his resignation from the post of chairman. Let me tell you, he is still with the party. He is an MLA, but with the post of the chairman, he has tendered his resignation. But that's something what we are understanding. The disturbance within the Trinamool Congress, the insecurity, the kind of infighting could be clearly seen within the Trinamool Congress, and that's a trouble for the Mamata Banerjee government, because this is just before the election. This is just before the election when the minister tendered his resignation from all the posters, and after that, now these are the MLAs who are again, we are seeing giving resignation from their particular designations. So that's something what we are understanding from the ground level in the West Bengal. This is resignation after resignation at this point in time from where I am reporting. Let me give you the sense of this also. This is the Grand Hotel from where I am reporting, and this is Election Commission's official from the National Capital and here itself, and the Chief Secretary of West Bengal is also inside. He has been also called in, and this is going to be the all-party meeting also. The representative of Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party is already inside.
All right, I'll come back to you, Anuj, in just a bit. We also have Kailash Vijayvargiya of the BJP joining us on the phone line. Mr. Vijayvargiya, TMC MLA Jitendra Tiwari ने रेजिग्नेशन अपना टेंडर कर दिया है. अभी सुवेंद्र अधिकारी ने भी अपना रेजिग्नेशन दे दिया था टीएमसी को. एक और टीएमसी एमएलए ने क्विट किया है. पार्टी अभी क्विट की है या नहीं, उस पर अभी कंफर्मेशन नहीं है, बट सर्टेनली पता चल रहा है कि टीएमसी में बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि ममता जी और उनके भतीजे दोनों के बीच में दोनों जो सत्ता के अहंकार में मस्त हैं. भतीजे सारे माफियाओं को संरक्षण दे रहे हैं. कोल माफिया, गोल्ड माफिया, काऊ माफिया, सिंडिकेट राज, ये सबके सरगना बन गए हैं. और जो पुराने मिनिस्टर हैं, पुराने विधायक हैं, जो ट्रिब्यूनल के समय से ममता जी के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे, वो सब अपमानित हो गए. तो भतीजे के अहंकार के कारण बहुत सारे लोग तृणमूल में असहज महसूस कर रहे हैं. ममता जी के प्रति तो भी उनकी पार्टी के अंदर थोड़ी श्रद्धा है लोगों में, पर उनके भतीजे के प्रति बिल्कुल भी श्रद्धा नहीं. पर भतीजे के गलत काम को जो ममता जी संरक्षण दे रही है, इससे ममता जी भी गुस्से के शिकार हो गई. इसलिए जो तृणमूल का जो महल है वो ताश का है, कभी भी भरभरा के गिर सकता. अब देखिए आगे आगे किस प्रकार लोग तृणमूल को छोड़कर भागेंगे, क्योंकि सबको लग रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार आ रही है और बंगाल में विकास होगा मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में. तो जो विकास के प्रेमी लोग हैं वो सब भारतीय जनता पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं.
जी, धन्यवाद हमसे जुड़ने के लिए, कैलाश विजयवर्गिया जी of the BJP there. Saying that this is something that is likely to happen given the current situation in the TMC. There is growing rebellion within the party, and after Suvendu Adhikari, yet another TMC MLA who has quit. TMC leader Jitendra Tiwari has tendered his resignation from the post of Chairman, Board of Administrators, Asansol Municipal Cooperation.